In other news, financial inclusion in Kenya has increased to 82%, up from 26.7% in 2006, mainly driven by mobile money and investments in digital assets. Treasury Chief Administrative Secretary Wafukho says complete financial exclusion in Kenya has narrowed to 11%, with the government pledging to do more to deepen financial inclusion. We'll hear other details of these and other stories in our corporate briefs.
The government has been encouraging diversity and inclusion in the financial sector as it targets 100% formal financial inclusion. Speaking at DIB Bank, Kenya's 4th anniversary ceremony in Nairobi, Treasury Chief Administrative Secretary Wafukho called on players in the financial services sector to increase investments in digital assets to ensure customers are able to transact conveniently and effectively.
Findings clearly show that the Kenya's financial inclusion landscape has undergone a transformation since 2006. The formal financial inclusion has risen to 82.9%, up from the 26.7% of the 2006.
Meanwhile, the Kenya National Farmers Federation launched a program that seeks to review, streamline and strengthen youths in agriculture. Kenya National Farmers Federation CEO Daniel Mwenda said the federation will continue mobilizing and registering farmers to maintain a credible national farmers database.
That coherence is lacking, and that coherence needs to be there. And the only way to have coherence is if you involve everyone. Every stakeholder must be involved in discussing this policy framework.
Finally, the National Cereals and Produce Board has partnered with DigiFarm Kenya to enable farmers access post-harvest services. Through the digital platform, farmers shall obtain farm inputs, farm machinery services, information on crop and animal husbandry, and quality management services, among other services. Through the digital platform, NCPB shall offer post-harvest management services to 1.3 million farmers on the platform, while DigiFarm will connect NCPB to small-scale farmers who will in turn access NCPB services at prevailing rates. Caroline Jenga for Lunchtime News.